Today we've got a Dish TV, disappointing set of numbers. The stock is also down. You've got a sell call on that one, and you've gone long on a Raymond.
Yep. Yes, I'm taking a mixed sort of situation in the market because it's not really bullish, not really bearish. So I think I'll have one long, one short. The short is on Dish TV, mainly because it has run up for the results, right? Whoever was looking for lesser losses, they've got it. I don't think they have too much to look forward to after a 50% rise in the stock price over a, let's say, reasonably short period of time. So I think profit taking should be hitting the stock. This will be confirmed once we close below 88.5. So I'm waiting for that to happen. And but then I'm happy to initiate shorts at these levels, 90 to 91, maybe 92 levels. So, with a stop around 94, 95 and expecting a target about 80, 81. And on the long side, I see a nice upside move in the case of Raymond. It has been on an uptrend, showed some extra strength today, has moved up past the somewhat of the overhead resistance. So I think I would like to go long in it. 400 to 405 is the range within which I would like to go long. Maintain a stop about 4 to 5 rupees from the entry point. Worst stop should be about 395. On the upside, I think 411 to about 418 would be the minimum target that I would look at. I think it's freed of resistances from the past. So if the market were to support it a bit, I think we'll have a fairly decent up move in Raymond.
Sure.
And on VIP, I think we should just take some profit. 892 is somewhere we entered. Today it traded up to about 915, 16. 911 is where it is at. So I think we can take some profit and close out that trade.
All right, take profits on a VIP. Should pull that counter up on your screens. Dish TV, just to remind our viewers, Q1 loss coming in at 18.3 crore rupees and the sales at about 460 crore rupees. And a new strategy, Raymond, you can go long. Dish TV, you can go short. Nitesh, come to you as well before we, go into that break. While we're talking about real estate, what's your own sense right now? And would you be looking at that in a positive light?
Well, of late, real estate stocks have been showing some amount of spunk. There is there's no denying that particular fact. So I think I would agree with largely with Mitesh in the long strategies that he has voiced on both IBReal as well as DLF. HDIL has been a bit of a laggard compared to these two. So, but then from a slightly longer term perspective, one is certainly not very bullish on the real estate pack. So, from a short-term swing up kind of point, this could be a quick in and out sort of trade, either using options or using your futures. But certainly if you're looking at, let's say, a multi-week trade, then these are wait for the move up into the resistance and then short them all over again. I don't think the larger boys in the market are really looking at real estate in any positive way. So until that situation changes, I would keep real estate as a sell on rally from a perspective of a strategy, but I would buy on declines as a kind of a trading tactic. So the approach is a little different, whether I'm trading extreme short term or I'm trading for a swing.
All right, that's a call on real estate there from Dr. Narayan as well as Mitesh joining in this afternoon and giving us your strategies. Should pull up 4.5%.